SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, Ma'am Erlinda, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The desktop PC underwent a complete Apacer 128GB, 2.5-inch SATA SSD upgrade and deep cleaning procedure to enhance its performance, speed, and overall reliability. Over time, the computer began showing slower response times and occasional system lag, which indicated the need for both hardware optimization and internal maintenance. The process began with a full disassembly of the desktop unit to access its internal components. The deep cleaning was performed first to ensure that the system's cooling efficiency and airflow were fully restored. Dust and debris that had accumulated on a motherboard, cooling fans, power supply, and heat sinks were carefully removed using compressed air, soft brushes, and anti-static tools. The CPU cooler was detached, and the old thermal paste was replaced with a fresh layer of high-quality thermal compound to improve heat transfer and reduce operating temperatures. After cleaning, the Apacer 128GB 2.5-inch SATA SSD was installed as the primary storage drive. This solid-state drive replaced the older, slower hard drive, offering a significant boost in read and write speeds. The operating system and essential applications were transferred to the new SSD, resulting in faster boot times, quicker data access, and overall smoother system performance. Once all components were reassembled, the desktop PC underwent testing to verify that all hardware was functioning properly and that temperatures remained stable under normal operation. The results showed a major improvement in both performance and cooling efficiency. The system now runs faster, quieter, and more reliably. In conclusion, the Apacer 128GB SSD upgrade and deep cleaning successfully revitalized the desktop PC, restoring it to excellent working condition. The SSD upgrade improved speed and responsiveness, while the thorough cleaning helped maintain optimal cooling and prevent potential hardware issues. This maintenance ensures that the desktop will continue to perform efficiently and reliably for an extended period. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.